Topic is AI.
Artificial intelligence is intelligence exhibited by machines. In computer science, an ideal intelligent machine is a visible, rational agent that perceives its environment and takes action that maximizes its chance of success at some goal. Colloquially, the term artificial intelligence is applied when a machine mimics cognitive functions that humans associate with other human minds, such as learning and problem solving. As machines become increasingly capable, facilities once thought to require intelligence are removed from the definition. For example, optical character recognition is no longer perceived as an example of artificial intelligence, having become a routine technology. Capabilities currently classified as AI include successfully understanding human speech, competing at a high level in strategic game systems, self-driving cars, and interpreting complex data.
Goal. The general problem of simulating intelligence has been broken down into sub-problems. This consists of particular trait or capability that researchers expect an intelligent system to display. The trait described below have the most attention. Deduction, reasoning, problem solving. Earlier researchers developed algorithms that imitated step-by-step reasoning that humans use when they solve puzzles or make logical deduction. By the late 1980s and 1990s, all research had developed methods for dealing with uncertain or incomplete information, employing concepts for probability and economics. For difficult problems, algorithms can require enormous computational resources. Most experienced are combinatorial explosions. The amount of memory or computer time required becomes astronomical for problems of a certain size. Research for more efficient problem-solving algorithm is a high priority.
Knowledge representation, and knowledge engineering are central to AI research. Many of the problems machines are expected to solve will require extensive knowledge about the world. Among the things that AI needs to represent are objects, properties, categories, and relations between objects, situation, events, state, and time, cause and effects, knowledge about knowledge, and many other less well-researched domains. A representation of what exists is an ontology, the set of object, relation, concept, and so on that the machine know about. The most general are called upper ontologies, which attempt to provide a foundation for all other knowledge.
Natural language processing. Natural language processing gives machines the ability to read and understand the language that humans speak. A sufficiently powerful natural language processing system would enable natural language user interface and the acquisition of knowledge directly from human writing such as news white text. Some straightforward application of natural language processing include information retrieval, text meaning, question answering, and machine translation. A common method of processing and extracting meaning from natural language is through semantic indexing. Increase in processing speed and the drop in the cost of data storage make indexing large volume of abstraction of the user input much more efficient.
General intelligence. Many researchers think that their work will eventually be incorporated into a machine. With general intelligence, combining all the skills about an existing human ability at most or all of them. A few believe that anthropomorphic features like artificial consciousness or an artificial brain may be required for such a project. Of the problem about might require general intelligence to be considered so. For example, even as straightforward specific text like machine translation require that the machine reads and write in both languages. Follow the another argument lesson. Know what is being talked about knowledge and faithfully reproduce the another intention social intelligence. A problem like machine translation is considered AI complete. In order to solve that particular problem, one must solve all the problems.
Example of artificial intelligence video game. One of the instances of AI that most people probably familiar with video game AI have been used for a very long time. In fact, the complexity and effectiveness that AI have increased exponentially over the past several decades, resulting in video game characters that learn your behavior, respond to stimulus, and react in unpredictable ways. Smart car. You probably haven't seen someone reading the newspaper while driving to work, but self-driving cars are moving closer and closer to reality. Google self-driving car project and Tesla Autopilot are two examples that have been in the news lately. The idea that car will be able to look at the roads ahead of it and make decisions based on what it sees, helping it process. While Tesla Autopilot feature isn't quite, it's already being used on the road. Thank you for watching.
The Fun Factory.
Let's go. Oh, the way that you pop, girl, makes me go crazy. Show me what you got, girl.